Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through restarting your eufy S2. If you're interested in the S2, the link to it will be in the video description. So currently, our device is powered on. A restart is a simple power cycle. We'll be turning it off and then back on. So with your unit on, we have the indicator light on there. We're just going to press and hold down the play button here.
Shutting down.
It gave us a prompt. Shutting down, please wait patiently, so I'm going to let go. Now we'll wait for a couple of seconds, make sure it's cycling through. The light's still blinking. Okay, the light just shut off. The unit is off. Now we'll go ahead, let's press and hold to turn it back on. The light's back on. The unit is powering up. That's how you're going to conduct a restart, a simple reboot with the eufy S2. Got the startup music. Our light's blinking. There you go. You're all set and ready to go.